Welcome to the official AI Hustle Club, where AI meets ambition and turns it into action. We don't hustle harder, we hustle smarter. So, let's talk about the question that's freaking people out everywhere. Is AI going to take my job? It's the digital age version of, is the robot uprising here? Chill, this isn't the Terminator. It's more like the Internator. Let's separate panic from facts, fear from strategy, and doom scrolling from real insight. What is AI really good at? AI is basically a hyper-fast intern. It's obedient, works 24/7, doesn't need snacks or breaks, and best of all, no awkward small talk by the coffee machine. Here's what AI excels at. Repetitive tasks, sorting data, spotting patterns, following strict rules. Examples? ChatGPT writing a thank you email in 2.2 seconds. I summarizing a 47-slide board meeting deck. You'll still pretend you read. Customer service bots answering, "Where's my order?" for the 187th time. But remember, AI isn't thinking. It's mimicking, like a talking parrot that read 10,000 Wikipedia pages. Which jobs are most at risk? So, who should start worrying? If your job is mostly made up of repeatable steps, structured rules, and predictable outcomes, AI is already eyeing it like a robot with a clipboard. Jobs like data entry clerks, Tier 1 customer support agents, bulk content writers, so translators, especially for popular languages, junior accountants doing routine tasks. But before you sprint to delete your LinkedIn profile, let's pause. AI doesn't take your entire job. It just chews off the repetitive parts, like someone nibbling the crust off a sandwich. You're still the sandwich. Reality check. AI replaces tasks, not jobs. Here's the truth bomb. AI isn't here like a job-snatching ninja. It replaces tasks, not entire jobs. Imagine you're a graphic designer. AI might auto-generate 10 logo variations in seconds. But it still needs you to decide which one actually doesn't suck. So now you're not doing grunt work. You're doing decision work. Jobs that are safe or growing with AI. Here's where it gets exciting. Jobs that rely on human emotion, creativity, connection, or leadership. AI struggles there harder than a chatbot at a therapy session. Examples? Nurses and therapists. AI can suggest treatments, but it can't hold your hand or truly listen. Teachers, it can generate lesson plans, but cannot inspire a struggling kid. Project managers, it can organize tasks, but it can't lead a team through chaos. Marketers and creatives, AI can generate ideas, but not original insight. Developers, coders using AI tools like GitHub, Copilot are now twice as fast. Real talk, AI is the assistant. You're still the boss. Copywriter versus AI. Take copywriting. Sure, AI can spit out buy now, fast shipping, but it doesn't know your customer. It doesn't know how it feels to be a tired mom looking for 5 minutes of peace, or a startup founder needing one more win to stay afloat. You add the magic, the voice, the story, the feeling. In this battle, AI is your intern. You're the brand whisperer. The 80-20 job security rule. Here's a mental shortcut. If 80% of your job is rules-based and predictable, upskill now. If 80% of your job involves people, ideas, emotions, or critical thinking, you're already future-proofed. And if it's 50-50, time to learn human. That's where the gold is. What to do now? You don't need to become a coder, but you do need to become AI literate. Here's how. Experiment. Try tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Notion AI. Play around. Break stuff. Pun intended. Get creative. Storytelling, strategy, leadership. AI can't do those. Be AI augmented. Combine human instincts with machine speed. Stay curious. Read, watch, tinker, stay sharp. Document your value. Show how you solve complex creative problems. Because while AI gets faster, people who use it well become unstoppable. 2 workers, 1 adapts. Let's paint a picture. 2 co-workers. Same job, same skills. One starts using AI to automate reports, brainstorm campaigns, and optimize work. The other sticks to the way it's always been. Fast forward 12 months. One's mentoring a team, the other's mentoring bitterness. AI won't take your job, but someone using AI might take your promotion. The future equals human plus AI. This isn't a battle between humans and robots. It's a team up. Think Iron Man, he's not a robot. He's a human with AI. And let's be real, Jarvis did the heavy lifting. So don't fear AI. Use it, learn it, and lead with it. Because the future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to the people who know how to work with it. Still wondering if your job's at risk? Drop your job title in the comments. I'll give you a custom AI proofing tip. And hey, like, subscribe, and share this with your most panicked coworker.